Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to my first video. Windows XP is loading. I have something to show y'all. This is going to be my first review on this channel, my first video. Let's see, let's plug this guy in. Okay, so what I got here, you'll see it in the title. It is the... Hold on. The Funkeys. Super cool, actually. Probably the coolest speakers I'll ever own. It's the Funky speakers. This is a review on that. The Funky speakers. This came in this mailbox. It came in my mailbox. And I'm kind of eager to get into it. It is... Okay, hold on. There we go. So it's the Funkeys Scratch Speakers. And I own these. They're really cool. So let's get it open. Let's get it untangled. Got it shipped from eBay. It was about, I think, $9. It was like $12 because of shipping. Alright, I think that's all I'll untangle because this is just a mess and it requires two hands that I don't have right now because I'm holding a phone. Whatever. I'll just plug it into the audio jack. This is a video to just test their quality for future buyers. They're really good, nice addition to the collection of Funkeys. Yeah, really cool. Alright, so it's got a bit of a rattle to it. I'm not sure if it's a cord or something. That was the cord. We're gonna set it on its maximum. There's its on and off switch. Setting it to maximum. Okay, actually, no, a little less than maximum. So, okay. I don't know. It's on my bed. Yeah, it's on my bed. So, it's very wobbly. Alright. So now, we are going to plug it in the audio jack. So that's done. Let's see if that's all we gotta do. No, that's not it. Alright. So I guess you also gotta plug in this USB piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna untangle it best I can. There. There's that. And I'm gonna plug it in. I think I know why these were so cheap. I don't think they work. That's a big oopsie, right? Oh, I just had that one blinking. I think they're broken, honestly. Okay, so here's what they look like, I guess. They're not quite working. They're not quite working on the laptop. Not really too sure why. Oh Lord. I don't know what that was. I think I'm having a stroke, honestly. It was plugged into the USB jack for some odd reason. Alright, here we go. Test number 2. There it goes. Oh, you know what? That's actually really crispy. Oh, the one over here doesn't work properly. Might be why they were so cheap. I'll fix it later. But until then, this is the quality. Not bad. Honestly, pretty good. Let's test it. Dial works. It's checking my UB. There we go. Let's log in. Alright, we're not gonna play for very long because I have to go to work. But here we go. I don't have the sound on, I mean the music on. I just like to hear the pitter patter of the funky feet. It's funny. And there's the sound. Right guys, so I actually got them to work. It finally is glowing. Both of them are finally glowing. Here's what they sound like. Honestly, they don't sound too bad. Also, this channel's new, so all these recommended are just recommended by YouTube, by new accounts. So, here we go. Good sound. They're pretty good. So that's it. That's all I have for the speakers. See you guys in the next one.